ready all damn day.
Well, good.
How many times you think this has happened now? Tearing her down again, boys. The trans is messed up. Inner core pipe blew. The setup's kind of melting down. So she's gonna need some TLC. You can see we got the leaning tower turbo right here. I think if I would have kept going, it may have melted all the way, which would have been kind of badass. But blew the inner core pipe and a transmission. So now we have to put a trans in it, see what else happened to it. But I don't think people understand how much work has went into this truck. So this is just another chapter in day in the life over here at RTI.
Oh yeah. What do we got going on there? Got my 480 Revtapindustriesllc. I got to make another junkyard one, and it only got about 200K on it, so it probably gonna last, I don't know, 20, 30 miles or so. One of my favorite thing to do right here, I pull 480.
Old Jack got him some parts in, so fixing this boot rig up. What you say, Jack?
Yeah.
Jack's in.
Yeah.
Jack got here changing the giraffe turbo setup to the RTD2 setup. So it's got some beautiful welds on there. Check them out. What you got to say about that?
Scared me.
Is the gas back in it?
Not yet.
Chip Johnson here. He's just figuring out his intercooler piping out here on the boot box.
I'm probably one of the baddest motherfuckers on YouTube, period. And just because I only got 30K don't mean shit, dude. All these other motherfuckers out here, they ain't got shit on me, dude. I ain't got shit on this truck.
That exhaust sounds great. Huh? Sounds good. No more windshield washer fluid. All the plastic gone so we don't catch on fire, so let's get it. About to get on the road.
Favorite, boys. We got a crowd around her. Fan favorite. And boys,
Word on the streets, the tires is bald.
and boys told me the tires is already bald, so now we gotta lower them down.
We gonna run about 9 PSI.
We gotta let the gas out of them.
you ready?
Hey, buddy, I'm always ready. I've been ready all damn day.
Get it?
That's a fucking turbo!
I don't fucking know. Come on. Let's get her back to the shop, bud. Here's a little data log. You can see snatch third gear and 158.
158 mph, that's miles per hour.
Yeah. Pretty good.
What'd you blow tonight, buddy?
Probably engine and transmission, so.
You mean that brand new trans we just put in there?
Intake air temp was only 171 degrees.
That's pretty good.
That intercooler was really helping me out, but third gear. What's wrong, buddy? Yeah, man, instead of crying, I just go into a violent rage, man. Yeah. Alright guys, got Jack here with the boot box.
Had a mechanic out here for the boot box, but yeah, so think we busted a ring land this time, or multiple ones, because while I was doing that burnout, I was in first set and then second, and it was just smashing the rev limiter in second gear. So I was like, all right, I gotta try to go for third, and I just held it to the floor, shifted to third. You can hear in the video it goes into third, and it like loads it down. The turbo is freaking just screaming, and it lasted for like 15 seconds, I guess, like that, and then it just lost power. So probably should have left her in second gear and not loaded it down. But we were spinning those 38s 158 miles an hour according to the data logger. So I mean, it was smoking like crazy. There's rubber all over the truck. But now there's a loss of compression in the engine. It's not running good. It's not happy. So, yeah, boys, I think it's time for a Ford's motor. So,
Trans line blew out too.
Also blew a rubber line. This is literally a transmission line, transmission hose, and it blew. So, hopefully the trans is okay. Because, yeah, fried a motor and trans, so hopefully at least the trans is good, but whatever. So now we have to put another engine in it.
All right, got a 4.8 sticking in this girl. Jack picked it up for $100 from a buddy. So not gapping the rings this go around.
Nope, we're just gonna put it in there.
Slapping it in here and hitting the mud hole. That's the plan.
This thing is really more of a mud truck, so we need to probably chill with the burnouts.
Off-road truck. We won't say just strictly mud, but off-road.
Right.
Snow, mud, gravel.
Totally, stock internals, stock transmission, 38-inch tires, and 3-minute long burnout. You know, just ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, she's not loving it too. Still haven't popped the 38s, but maybe with this new combo, we'll just go finish them off.
That's right.
So, hope y'all enjoyed the vid. This video took, I don't know, about a week. So,
yeah,
it was a busy week for us. So, yeah, if you guys could like, subscribe, and share this, we'd really appreciate it. So,
peace.